Yeah.
Okay, officer. Here, I'll film you in there. Now you know which which button it is? Top left. Alright. Oh, look at you. Yes, sir. Looking good, man.
Look at the camera, Nathan.
Yeah. Oh. Officer, what's wrong? What's going on, officer?
Looks like we got a suspect up there.
Suspect? Oh yeah, he looks shady with that hood.
His name is Xander.
Is that that's the guy I saw in the post office on the wall?
Yeah.
Oh man. All right, you better kill those lights and get out here and arrest him.
Yep. You're under arrest.
Oh, he's doing it.
Wow.
Doing the perp walk?
Yeah.
Can't do the back door though. Back door is full. Do you want to go in? There you go. I'll show you which just don't hit any pedals. Maybe the car shouldn't be running. You ready? Hold on, and then you get out there and you be the perp. You're the bad guy now. All right, so it's see the top left button, that one? So you hit that button, we'll light them up. Top left button. That's it, yeah. Oh man, you look like you got that cop haircut. Yeah. Excuse me, officer, what's going on?
Someone broke into a place that is closed down.
Oh, that's no good. Is it that guy right there?
Yeah.
Oh man. Good thing you got him in your sight. You better turn off those lights and come out here and arrest him. Top left. There you go. All right, yeah, get out here and slap the cuffs on that guy. You're in trouble now.
Get that guy. Get that bad guy. Put the handcuffs on.
Oh man. You gotta pat him down for weapons. He could be carrying. And cut.
Nice. Thank you.
There you go.